Well, LinkedIn video messaging is finally here. Now you can message your LinkedIn connections. What a great feature. I didn't think it would be long until this feature arrived, especially with video being so huge on LinkedIn this past 12 months. So how should sales professionals like you and I use this ability to video message those that we're connected with? Well, in this short video, I'm going to provide an example of how you might use your video as, say, your thanks for connecting, and you might want to add captions to sort of increase your chances of the message being read. But here are some video messaging tips for LinkedIn. One, you want to create the message, choose the add image icon and select camera, or use an existing video you have saved on your camera roll. Unfortunately, this is only available on mobile right now. And then you want to record on landscape mode so that you can get the full image. And then make your video short. Don't ramble on. Keep it under 60 seconds. And then check that you have good lighting. Also behind you, make sure it's nice and clean. Raise your energy a little bit and smile, and don't sell. This is a relationship building opportunity with this video. Tag somebody you think could use this feature to grow their leads and sales, and let me know what you think of the video messaging feature on LinkedIn in the comments below. I'm Larsen from Navigator Marketing and Dealership Marketing.